Hello guys. You run your fingers across your face, and it doesn't feel the way you want it to. Maybe it's that rough, uneven texture. Maybe it's those little bumps that never seem to go away. Or maybe it's just that dull, heavy feeling, like your skin is carrying something it needs to let go of. You've washed your face. You've tried the products, but something still feels clogged, stuck, unfinished. What your skin might actually be asking for is a real, thorough, deep clean. Not aggressive, not harsh, just intentional. And today, that's exactly what we're going to do together. Here's what most people don't realize. Washing your face twice a day is maintenance. But it was never designed to clear out what's already built up beneath the surface. Dead skin cells accumulate. Sebum quietly hardens inside your pores. Pollution, makeup residue, SPF, they layer, and over time your skin starts to look tired, congested, a little lost. And the frustrating part? The more you scrub trying to fix it, the more irritated and reactive your skin becomes. So you get stuck in this cycle, stripping, breaking out, over-moisturizing, and still never quite getting to that clear, breathable skin you're after. There's a gentler way, a smarter way, and it starts with understanding what deep cleaning actually means. Deep cleaning isn't about attacking your skin, it's about giving it permission to release what it's been holding. Think of your pores like tiny funnels. When they're clear, everything flows. Skincare absorbs better. Your complexion looks brighter. Your skin feels like it can breathe again. A proper, deep clean routine works in layers, first softening, then drawing out, then clarifying, and finally sealing everything back up gently. Each step has a purpose, and when you follow them in order, you'll actually feel the difference within minutes. Let's get into it. Before you touch your face, let's set the scene. Pull your hair back. Wash your hands. This part matters more than most people think. You want clean tools touching clean skin. Now the first step is steam. You can lean over a bowl of warm water with a towel draped over your head for about 2 to 3 minutes, or simply take a warm shower first. It does exactly the same thing. What you're doing is softening the skin, loosening the debris, opening the environment around your pores so that everything that follows can actually do its job. There's no rushing this part. This is where the magic quietly begins. Core technique. Step by step 1. The double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser. Massage it across dry skin in slow circular motions. You'll feel it binding to surface oils, sunscreen, any residue left from the day. Then emulsify it with a little water. Watch how it turns milky as it lifts everything away. Rinse. Then follow immediately with a gentle water-based cleanser. Something low pH, fragrance-free, calm. Your skin should feel clean, not tight, not stripped. Just clean. Step 2. The exfoliation. This is where things get satisfying. Use a chemical exfoliant. A BHA like salicylic acid works beautifully here because it's oil-soluble. That means it can travel into the pore lining and loosen the debris from the inside out. Apply it gently with a cotton pad or your fingertips. Let it sit for 60 seconds. No rubbing, no scrubbing, just stillness, and chemistry doing its quiet work. Step 3. The mask. Now reach for a clay or charcoal mask. Apply a thin, even layer across your T-zone, or wherever congestion tends to live. As it dries, you'll feel it gently tightening. That drawing sensation, that's the clay pulling impurities toward the surface. Working slowly, methodically, almost therapeutically. Leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. Not longer. We'll talk about why in just a moment. Then rinse with lukewarm water, circular motions. No tugging. Look at your skin now. Notice the difference in how it feels. Smoother, lighter. Like something heavy has been lifted. Now, a few things I want you to know, because they'll protect your skin long term. Don't steam for too long. 3 minutes is enough. Prolonged steam can actually sensitize your skin. Don't leave the clay mask until it's fully cracked and dry. That stage pulls moisture from your skin, not just the impurities. Remove it while it still feels slightly damp. Don't deep clean every day. Once a week is ideal for most skin types. Twice a week if you're very oily or prone to congestion. Your skin barrier needs time between sessions to stay healthy. And please, no squeezing after. I know, it's tempting, but freshly deep cleaned skin is sensitive, and manual extraction done incorrectly can push debris deeper, damage the pore wall, and leave marks that take weeks to heal. Be patient with your skin, it's doing its best. After a deep clean, your skin is in a beautifully receptive state. Everything you apply now will absorb more deeply and work more effectively. Start with a hydrating toner. Pat it in gently. Then layer a calming serum. Niacinamide, centella, or hyaluronic acid are all excellent here. And finish with a lightweight moisturizer. Lock in everything you've just given your skin. This final step is non-negotiable. You've just removed a lot. Now you replenish. Your skin barrier is what keeps everything good in and everything harmful out. Treat it like it matters, because it does. The real secret to clear skin isn't any single product or treatment. It's the quiet, consistent habits between the deep cleans. Change your pillowcase twice a week. Clean your phone screen daily. Don't touch your face throughout the day, even when you want to. Stay hydrated. Not for the cliche reason, but because dehydrated skin overproduces oil to compensate, which leads straight back to congestion. And wear SPF. Every day. UV damage weakens the skin barrier and accelerates every problem you're trying to solve. Small habits. Compounding results. That's the actual formula. Thank you for watching.